Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping and grinding. This sets texture and flavor. Soak 3 tablespoon poppy seeds for 10-15 minutes to soften. Drain and grind with 1 small onion and 2 green chilies into a coarse paste. Once ground, mix in 1/2 tsp turmeric for color and a pinch of salt to help the paste release moisture. Do this now so the spice base is ready. It ensures the posto coating will cling to the ginge during cooking. You heat 2 tablespoon mustard oil until it just smokes, then cool slightly to avoid bitterness. This gives a nutty depth. Temper 1/2 tsp nigella or cumin, then add the ginge pieces and 1/4 cup water to start steaming. Once the ginge is partly soft, lower heat and fold in the poppy paste so it coats evenly. Make sure to stir gently to avoid breaking the vegetables. Simmer covered on low for 8-10 minutes until tender and the oil separates from the paste. You finish by tasting and balancing. Add 1 tsp sugar or jaggery if the poppy makes the dish flat. This brightens flavors. Off heat, drizzle 1 tablespoon mustard oil for aroma and scatter chopped cilantro. Let it rest 5 minutes so flavors meld. If you see the poppy paste separating or looking grainy, don't panic. Add 1-2 tablespoon hot water and stir over low heat to re-emulsify, then simmer a minute. This quick fix brings the sauce back together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.